Welcome to Infinity Capital, everyone. This is Raj. We are going to do the weekly analysis for Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin USD on the Coinbase exchange. On your right, we have the weekly chart. Let's see what's happened on a weekly basis. So if you see, the price has not gone anywhere. The price pretty much, traded between this range for the whole week, and it closed at the midpoint, a little higher than the midpoint of the whole trading range. So the trading range was from 31,000 to 38,500, and Bitcoin closed at around 36,000. So it closed in the top 1/3 portion of the trading range. So this is a positive sign after a long time. So my guess is that there is some kind of accumulation happening from lower levels, and we can see price probably going further up from here. So this is on your left we have the daily chart with the 50-day moving average, which is trending downwards. We have the 200-day moving average, which is trending upwards. So my analysis says that we can see some sort of sort of a run up from here. Price has broken down pretty badly, but it's consolidating in this range, and the 200-day moving average is still trending upwards. So I expect the price to move up in the short term. Let's check the daily chart and see what sort of what's happening on the daily time frame. So if you notice that this is the previous range, the BTC broke out of this range and went up. So this is a good area of interest where buying came in, it propelled BTC higher. So this is the area where it has stopped and it is sort of consolidating here. Volume is also going down, which is a sign that there is the selling pressure is not there. If you see, the volume has gone really down. So that is also another indication that the selling pressure is subsiding. Now what do I want to see before taking a trade? Two types of trades can be done. One is that, see, this is the range that has been established. So if you can get Bitcoin over here in this area, you can buy at the bottom of the range and sell at the top of the range. This is the top of the range. So buy at the bottom of the range and sell at the top of the range. So that is one trade that you can do if you're a daily trader. If you trade on a weekly basis, you can buy it when it comes somewhere near the bottom of the range and sell it when it goes on top of the range. So the range is pretty much between 31,200 to 40,400. So it's a 26% range, and you can play between that. If you're a swing trader, what you could do is you could wait for the price to move above the 21 EMA. This is the 21 exponential moving average. So you could wait for the price to move above the 21 EMA and then buy it. So it tried going above the 21 EMA and it failed. So it's consolidating now. So we will see next week what happens. If it starts trading above the 21-day EMA, then we can start buying now. So as of now, I think the selling has subsided. We should see a short run up on the upside. So on the upside, if I am buying over here, my first target would be here. I would be looking to sell. If I've bought Bitcoin, I'd be looking to book some profits, partial profits here. I'll be looking to book some profits in this range, between this range. I'll be looking to book profits between this range. And why I'm looking to book profit within this range? It's pretty simple, because if you see, this Bitcoin was consolidating in this range, which means there are people who have bought Bitcoin in this range, and now they are feeling the pain because it is much lower. So whenever the price comes back in this area, you will see selling pressure. It's a calculated bet. That's how the market dynamics work. So anybody who's bought here at 57,000, current price is 36,000. He's feeling the pain. And whenever the price comes back up, if he's a short-term trader or an investor, he will get out over here. So you'll feel the selling pressure coming in here. Some sort of selling pressure may be felt in this area also, because for a few days it was consolidating in this range as well. So this is the analysis, guys. If you're a Bitcoin trader, you can benefit from this analysis. Thanks a lot, guys.